Hi, I'm Paul from Barbecues Galore. One of the biggest questions we get asked about on barbecues is about parts. In order for us to diagnose your barbecue issue, we need to know two things. One, we need to know the model number, which you'll find right here. That's a P500 RSIB. The other important information we need is right down here. That's going to be the serial number that we can trace your barbecue online with. Once we know that, we can make your barbecue happy and healthy once again. And if it's a Barbecues Galore barbecue, you will see that we put the date on, we put the initials, and then we put a little happy face to say, you got your barbecue from Barbecues Galore. In some cases, you're going to find that the serial number and model number are going to be located inside the cabinet, inside the door, usually on the sidewall of the cabinet. In other cases, you may find that some of our companies will put the brand, serial, and model number on the face of the hood. For more information, check us out in-store or online at barbecuesgalore.ca.